Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable organic supports in PrusaSlicer. So uh, what we need to do is head over to the print settings, which you will find at the very top of your screen right here, more on the left. So print settings. Then what we need to do is look at the left hand navigation column and click on support material. So this one right here. Now what we need to do is check the box at the top of the page labeled generate support material. So check this one. If it's not, look down under the option for support material and reft section. So this one right here, you find style, click it and select organic. Now here important note. If you don't see that, which I showed you here, you can change here at the top right corner mode. So if you are in the beginner mode, you see that you can see nothing. Then normal mode, you see some more tools, and if you go into the expert mode, you will see everything. So make sure you do that also. So what we do now is click back to the plate right here, back to the model, and look at the right hand setting panel under the support drop down menu and choose where you want them to grow from. So we have here support, and we can change support on build plate only for support enforcement only everywhere. So everywhere is if you want them to grow from the bed and the model surface. You can select support enforces only, is if you want to manually paint where the trees should go. And on build plate only, you will see just here on this section on the plate, between plate and model. When you choose that, whatever you prefer, click the Slice Now button at the bottom right corner and wait a few moments, just like that. And we have right here, we have been redirected here, as you can see, to the preview, and right here we have now supports. And yeah, this is basically how you can do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the